Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Then this video is for you. Listen and repeat these simple English sentences. In today's video, let's practice simple daily English conversations. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and improve your spoken English. Let's get started. Greetings and introductions. How are you today? మీరు ఈరోజు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? How are you today? What's your name? మీ పేరు ఏమిటి? What's your name? Where do you live? మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు? Where do you live? Daily life English. Useful everyday conversations. Now, let's practice some useful daily life English sentences. It's raining outside. బయట వర్షం పడుతోంది. It's raining outside. What do you do? మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? What do you do? I am a designer. నేను ఒక డిజైనర్ని. I am a designer. I am also learning English. నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. I am also learning English. That sounds good. అది బాగుంది అనిపిస్తోంది. That sounds good. Office English. Daily workplace conversations. Now, let's practice some office English sentences. I'm at the office. నేను ఆఫీస్లో ఉన్నాను. I'm at the office. Why are you late? మీరు ఎందుకు ఆలస్యంగా వచ్చారు? Why are you late? Please sit down. దయచేసి కూర్చోండి. Please sit down. Let's start the meeting. మీటింగ్ ప్రారంభిద్దాం. Let's start the meeting. Time to go home. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళే సమయం అయింది. Time to go home. Travel and communication. Speak English anywhere. Now let's practice some travel and communication English sentences. What time is it? సమయం ఎంత అయింది? What time is it? I missed the bus. నేను బస్ మిస్ అయ్యాను. I missed the bus. Where is the station? స్టేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Where is the station? The bus is coming. బస్సు వస్తోంది. The bus is coming. Let's go together. మనం కలిసి వెళ్దాం. Let's go together. Help and communication. Important English sentences. Now let's practice some useful help and communication sentences. Can you help me? మీరు నాకు సహాయం చేయగలరా? Can you help me? I didn't understand or I didn't understand. నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. I didn't understand or I didn't understand. Can you repeat that? మీరు మళ్ళీ చెప్పగలరా? Can you repeat that? My phone is dead. నా ఫోన్ ఆఫ్ అయింది. My phone is dead. Can you explain this? దీన్ని వివరించగలరా? Can you explain this? Common daily expressions. Speak naturally in English. Now let's practice some common daily expressions. I feel hungry. నాకు ఆకలిగా ఉంది. I feel hungry. I feel sleepy. నాకు నిద్ర వస్తోంది. I feel sleepy. It's very cold. చాలా చలిగా ఉంది. It's very cold. I am tired. నేను అలసిపోయాను. I am tired. Let's go now. ఇప్పుడు వెళదాం. Let's go now. Great job. Practice these sentences daily. Repeat them 2 to 3 times for fluency. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel Fluent Talks with Radhika. See you in the next lesson.